Hello student, let's begin the computer network subject. So in the last class we are discussed the types of topologies and the categories of networks. So categories of networks in the sense of what? LAN, local area networks, MAN, metropolitan area networks, and WAN. So these are we are discussed in the last class, and now we are going to see in the today's class what is internet. So why we need this internet when we are going to communicating two or more system, that time we are going using this internet. So the internet is what here? The communicating system that has brought a wealth of information to our fingertips and organized it for our uses. So the internet is the structured, organized the system. So this network is a group of connected communicating device such as computer and printer. An internet is two or more networks that can communicate with each other. For example, to say, if we want to communicate with other person through mail, so that time we need the internet. That internet through we can communicate with other persons. So without internet we cannot send the message. So that purpose here this internet is going to used in the computer network. So this computer, so this internet in the 1960s, the mainframe computers in research organization were the standalone devices. So the computer from different manufacturer were unable to communicate with one another. When they are not able to communicate with one another. So that time this one of the advanced research project agency ARPA, ARPA. ARP means what here? Advanced Research Project Agency. One of the agency which is in the Department of Defense was interested in finding the way to connect computer so that the researchers they founded could share their findings, there reducing the cost of estimating duplicate of efforts. So here what happened? One of the advanced research project agency. So that agency working in the Department of Defense. So that was introduced and interested to find how to weigh the connecting computers. So that time they are so next this internet, the Association for Computing Machinery ACM meeting with this ARPA presented the idea for ARPANET. ARPANET in the sense of what here? Advanced Research Project Agency Net. So this is what ARPANET, a small network of connected computers. The idea was that each host computer would be attached to specialized computer called interface message processor. So this interface message processor through we can send the messages. So the IMP would be connected to another. So this IMP through we can connect with the one another. So here we can see the diagram of, in the first diagram, ASIP means what here? Internet service provider. So this internet service provider, there are international service providers, the national service providers, regional service providers, and local service provider. There are different types of providers are these using. The internet today is run by private companies, not the government. So we can see the diagram here. ISP means ISP in the sense of what? This internet service provider. So these are the different service provider we can see in the internet. So after this, next one we are going to see what is the protocol. So why we use this protocol? In computer network, communication occurs when between entities in different system. An entity is anything capable of sending or receiving information. So when we need to sending and receiving the messages, that time we are going to use this protocol. So this protocol define what is communicated, how it is communicated, and when it is communicated. The key element of protocol are syntax, semantic, and timing. So these are the three where we are going to see in the protocol. So the syntax is what it does, the structure or format of data. So it is going to read how the structure is and what type of format of the data is content. After that, indicate how to read the bit field delineation. So this is the syntax, what it syntax does, how to read the bit of read the data. Next one, semantic. So it is going to interrupts the meaning of the bits. So semantic word is refers the meaning of each section of bits, how a particular pattern to be interrupted, and what action to be taken based on the interruption. For example, the address identify the route to be taken or final destination of the message. So this is what semantic. The timing means what here? The term timing is refers to the two characteristics when the data should be sent and how fast they can be sent. For example, the sender produced the data 100 Mbps megabit per second, but the receiver can process data at only 1 bit mega per second. Then the transmission will be overloaded the receiver and some data will be lost. So these are the three main key elements for the protocol, which are those: syntax, semantic, and timing. So protocol means what here? When we are going to sending and receiving messages, that time we are going to use this protocol in the internet. So we can see these details in the next chapter. So this related to protocols. Okay, thank you.